Mouse King and his army. Look! He's dancing around the mice. He's going faster and faster and faster!
I cannot believe it! The toy prince danced so fast, he blew the Mouse King and his army away.
All right, that was great! Look, here come the toys.
What was with the running? If you can call that running.
I was giving you time to catch up.
Aw, you big lug.
Aw, they're glad to have the toy prince back. His dancing makes them happy.
Come on,